Racing just started. We have Witness in Manila. Breakaway clear start. Salinas down on the inside. All my life. Don't explain. Pencil away. Pure motion. Best asset. While Sobrang Class is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader. We have Witness in Manila by about half length. Don't explain in second. Best asset is racing in third. Salinas. Then comes All My Life. Moving up now, what he has is Pencil Away, Pure Motion, while Sobrang Class is still racing in less, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Witness in Manila by our length and a half. Don't explain in second. Pencil Away is racing into the as they swing for home. We have Witness in Manila by our length and a half, followed by Don't Explain, Pencil Away. Last 75 meters from start to finish, it's Witness in Manila. And second is Don't Explain, Pencil Away. Then comes All My Life and Pure Motion.
One for the day yun.
Oo nga.
One for the day.